Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to back up your Binance Web3 wallet. Let's dive in. To start, open the Binance app and navigate to the Assets tab. Then tap on Wallet at the top of your screen. Once you're in your wallet, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner and select Wallet Management. On the Management page, tap the Customize icon next to your wallet. Next, tap Backup Management to begin setting up the backup. Now choose the backup method you prefer. You'll then be prompted to create a recovery password. This password is used to encrypt your key share, so make sure it's strong and stored somewhere safe. After setting your password, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the backup process. Once finished, ensure that your key share is properly backed up and verify it using your recovery password. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your Binance Web3 wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.